Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk carpet where it has been pre-cut. And unscrew by hand the plastic wing nut that holds the light. The light is held in place by plastic studs encased directly in the car body. Use a cloth, fold it in two, place it on the joint between the light and the car body. Insert a medium-sized flathead screwdriver and lever so that the light comes out. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. To take out the bulb mount connector board, pull each of the black plastic tabs which fasten everything in place outwards, all while pulling on the connector board. To replace the parking lights, simply pull on it. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the other bulbs, all you have to do is push down and give a quarter turn to the left. They should come out under a spring effect. To put the new ones in, position the bulb studs in front of the holes, push on the bulb and pivot it a quarter turn to the right. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. The tab should open and let it pass through, and close once it's in place. Put the electric connector back into the headlight. Reposition the light in its housing, pushing on it, but being careful not to force too much. Screw the wing nut by hand. And put the carpet back in place. Operation completed.